If you want to start making money right now, then you need to get yourself together and start using artificial intelligence, because a lot of people have upgraded, and the lesser you get yourself familiar with technology, then the better it will get at you making money fast on the internet. Okay, so this is not a money doubling video. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money legitimately online using artificial intelligence. Okay, a lot of people have been talking about the ChatGPT artificial intelligence tools, but right inside this video, I want to show you what you can basically do to start making money right on the internet. Okay, so if you've not come across or make use of these tools before, you can just go to your browser, put GPT. When you put ChatGPT, then click on this first one. When you click on this first one, it will bring you to this website, which is openai.com. Then you can scroll to the footer part of the website. Then you are going to see GPT. Okay, so once you get right here, it will ask you to log in to do all sorts of sign up. So once you sign up, then it will bring you right to this interface. Okay, so how do you want to start making money right now? Okay, so one thing you want to do first is when you sign up on the chat GPT application, first thing you want to do right is that you want to get your niche. Okay, so once you get your niche, then you start making money. Okay, so I've filtered this thing right here for you. I've searched for the right content. A lot of people are looking for copyright free content that they can use to post information on their blog or on their website or even on their social media platform. Okay, and a lot of people are trying to do SEO, content writing, article writing. So if you go through all of this, you're going to see that this person is charging $10, $5, $10. This guy is charging $60 and he has 654 sales already. Okay, so if you calculate this, so let's cancel this. 60 times 654, that's giving us $39,240. So you can see that people are making a lot of money with this strategy that I'm going to be showing you right inside this video. And this guy right here is charging $125 per sales on this, and is going to say, I will edit, revise, and rewrite your blog and web content. This guy is charging $20, $40, $10, $5, $15, $25. So if you keep on scrolling down, then you see people that even charge more. This is $50, $25, $35. So how do you start doing or start making money like these people? Okay, so if I come right here right now, if I come right here right now, if I change this to 320, then this is going to give us this is going to give us 12,800 or so. Okay, so why am I editing that? The reason being that this guy is charging $125 for only 250 words, and is charging $285 for 600 words, and for his premium editing or writing is also charging $385. Okay, so if we are charging lesser than this guy, then we'll be making $328 per sales. Okay, so what are the things that you need to do right now to start making this sales? Is content writing. Okay, so let me call it content rewriting. So content rewriting. Okay, so how do you start this? You can just put gig right here. That's just like these guys that are here. Okay, so then when you put all of this gig, then you can start selling. Okay, so you see here in proofreading and editing in article and blog. Okay, so one thing you want to do is I'm going to show you right now. So let's look for a content that we can rewrite right now. Okay, so let's say a client has given you a content from his or our website for you to rewrite, then you want to rewrite this content. Okay, so let's use let me look for a website that we can use or a PDF file that we can use. Okay, so let's use Google News just to get a random text. Okay, so when we come to this, then let's just copy this. Let's copy this out. Copy. Okay, so let's copy this. So this is 265 words that we want to write right now. Okay, so if we go to this guy document here, he said he's going to write 250 words, and right here we have 265. Okay, so what you want to do right now is for you to come to your chat GPT, then click on new chat. When you click on new chat, then you are going to give him instruction. Okay, so chat GPT is taking instruction for you, then converting it to information that is useful. Okay, so right now we are talking about the content rewriting section. Okay, so I will now say, can you rewrite a sentence for me? Sure. You see, sure. What sentence do you want to rewrite? So I will now paste this sentence right here. Then I will hit enter. Okay, OP address. So right now is rewriting this article for me. Okay, so this option can be used to write article, any documents, any website content, anything you want to write, anything so far that you want to write, and you start making your money right now. Okay, so first let's wait for it to finish rewriting all of this, then let's compare it. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to new window. So I'm going to bring this here so that we can now compare. Okay, so I think okay, it's not done. Sometimes you might have to regenerate those response. Okay, but let's copy this and paste it here. Okay, so right now it's still rewriting that text. Okay, so this is, can go back. So if I click on this, I can see this. If I click on this, I can see the first one. Then if I go to the third one right now, then I can give the AI another instruction. Kindly split this to to kindly rewrite in a more longer text and split to 4 paragraphs. Okay, so you can see now that it's splitting it into paragraphs right now, not like just a single sentence like this. Okay, so the discussion. Okay, so it's still writing. You see that we said kindly rewrite in a more longer text and split to 4 paragraphs. So we have more text right now. Okay, so this is the method that you can use to write any article, any website content. Okay, so right now I can copy this. I can copy this, then come back here, then paste it here. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, so we are going to compare right now. Obi spoke on a couple of issues, including but not limited to security. Obi, the former Anambra State governor, who has been leading in several online survey, addressed a range of issues during his speech, including security. Okay, so we can now see that we've been able to successfully rewrite this content, and this content is going to make the owner of that article or the content to know that yes, this content is actually written. Okay, so when you get a client from Fiverr, Upwork, any freelancing website, then you can easily take the content that they want to rewrite. I will write an article or blog post on any content for you. Okay, so you can easily do that. You can easily do that by rewriting content for you. This is a gig that is making wave. Okay, so this gig is really making wave, and I hope you will find this video very useful. If you want me to make any video about the ChatGPT AI, then let me know at the comment section, or you want me to make any of that video relating to website design, content management system, product design, learning management system, and a lot of them. Let me know at the comment section, and I will add this video to my list of video. Then I will make it right on this video, on this channel. Okay, so this will be the first option that I'm going to be showing you right on this series. Okay, so this is GPT AI series, and this is what we have right now. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. See you some other time. Peace.